Most people keep their entire financial life in one market and one currency. But honestly, that's a structural risk you don't have to take. At Passports to Property, we help you diversify by investing in international real estate. Here is how we turn a complex process into a simple, step-by-step journey. It starts with a conversation to find the right vehicle for your goals. Once we find your unit, we handle the documentation and secure your reservation. Then, our team takes care of the currency conversion and legal due diligence, so you know every contract is rock solid. While your property is being built, we keep you updated. When it's finished, we manage the handover and legal registration for you. Finally, we set up property management for true passive income and help you navigate the tax implications. You're not just buying a home, you're building equity across borders and securing your financial future. Ready to go global? Visit Passports to Property today and let's start the conversation. Please see our full disclaimer on our website. Always consult with professionals before making any investment decisions.